In this video, we will learn how to delete an Upwork account. Let's get started. Here is my Upwork dashboard. I already have an account. If you don't have one, then sign up with a Google account and create one. First of all, let's go to the top right side and click on Profile. Here you can see, Invite a coworker, Setting, and Log Out. Click on the setting. Setting profile is open. Scroll down. Here you can see, there are two options, create a new account or close the account. Click on Close Account. Here is why I'm deleting my Upwork account. Close duplicate accounts, change my username. Upwork is not easy to use, not satisfied with the quality of freelancers on Upwork, signed up for the wrong type of account. The freelancers on Upwork did not fit my needs, no longer need work done through Upwork. Select a reason for leaving. I will go with I no longer need work done through Upwork. All if done, click Close Account. Your Upwork account has been successfully deleted. This is how you can delete an Upwork account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.